How to create fillable form in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create the fillable form in Google Docs. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so here we are on my browser. So I just open the Google Docs application. Okay, so I open it. So I take the blank page. Okay, so here I can rename my form. Okay, it is renamed now. I can take the title. If you want, you can take title here. Just select the title and change the size. You can change the line. You can make it middle. Okay, I can just make it bold and italic. Okay, so after that I just start my form. Okay, so in Google Docs you can use the table to create the fillable form. Okay, you can create the form in Google Docs easily by using the table. Okay, so how can you use the table? Go to the insert, go to the table, and here you can see like the visual. You can take the as much row and column. So for now I just take the 2 row here. Okay, you can change the size. You have to just keep the cursor on the line and make sure this icon will be visible. Once this icon will be show you, once this icon show you, just click and hold your mouse and you can change the size. Okay, it won't go beyond your margin, so change as per your requirement. Okay, you can also change this size, middle line size. If you want, you can change like this. Okay, so here I can give the title like name. Okay, change the size of this, and I can change the size of this also. DOB, date of birth. I take the date of birth. Okay, I got the 2 title here. So for name I need this space, and for DOB I need this space. Okay, so I got the 2. Okay, a title here. So if you want to make it proper, so people can write the answer here. You can make sure, if you want, if you like this format, you can keep it as it is. But if you want to hide the lines, you can hide. So what you need to just select the your table like this, go to the this borders option, and you can make the 0, and all your border will be invisible. Okay, so now if you want to visible the bottom line to show properly form, so people can get that idea to how much they need to write. So select the bottom line like this. Okay, or you can just click on this icon, on click on this bottom line, then it will be selected. Now you can change this border size for this bottom line, so it will be visible. Okay, same as you can change for all. Okay, you can change color if you want. Okay, so I take 1 pt, you can take like 2.5. Okay, so now people can write their answer or response as you have provided them space. Okay, so that is how you can create fillable form. So now we need to just select the icon, sorry, table, row or column as per your requirement. Okay, and you can create the form. Okay, I just 5. So here I can adjust your form table size like this. Okay, same as you can create the form, a fillable form in Google Docs. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.